Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making a new casserole and it's called Beachcomber beef casserole. And it sounds good, it sounds easy, so I'm hoping it will be. So I hope everybody's doing great today, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of chopped onion, and 1 cup of chopped green pepper. And it was green, it just changed before I got to it. 1 can of whole kernel corn drained. And it didn't call for garlic, but I can't see using hamburger meat, pepper, and onion without adding the garlic. You'll need 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. You'll need 6 to 8 ounces of small shell or elbow macaroni cooked. All I have is a 12-ounce package, so I'll just not cook it all. You'll need a 16-ounce can of tomatoes and a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's said to break up your hamburger meat into about 1-inch chunks and brown it with onions, peppers, and I added garlic as well. Once your meat's brown, you want to drain it and then put it back into your pan. Now you want to add your salt and pepper, your corn, your tomato sauce, your tomatoes, and your cooked noodles. Stir it up really well and pour it into a 2.5 to 3 quart casserole dish. I sprayed mine with some vegetable spray. Now the recipe didn't call for cheese on top, but I just couldn't see myself having a casserole without some kind of topping, and cheese seemed to suit this perfectly. Now you want to cover it. If you have a lid, fine. I didn't have a lid, so I just put foil and I tinted it so the cheese wouldn't stick to it. Now, it said to bake for 45 minutes. That seemed an awful long time to me. So I went 30 minutes, and then I took the cover off, and then I let it go another 5 minutes, and that was pretty good. And here it is, and it was really good. It's something I would make again. One son said it was too much corn because he's not a big corn fan. Another son said it wasn't enough cheese on top. But other than that, they liked it. And my husband and I really liked it. So it was a nice, comforting food. So I highly recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.